It looks centered. Don't go too high or too low. Not too low with that one. You don't want to shoot it, but you got to get it at an angle.
Okay.
And squeeze that trigger right there.
Okay. Why do I feel like I launched two?
This one won't matter because it's solid.
It feels like you're launching two.
What's your next one?
Make it perfect.
Yeah. Jeez, that was a blast.
That's why you wear eye protection.
I still got it.
I know you do.
You want to try it by yourself?
Yeah, sure.
Is it centered?
Yes. No.
Is it perfect? Perfect or good enough? Get your finger off the trigger while you're trying to tap that
Take
in.
this off.
Oh, geez.
Set it first where you want it.
Jeez. Wow.
Just whatever you can think of.
You know the thing that holds the towels in the... That's you.
Put pressure.
That's you.
I'm gonna. I gotta sneeze.
I know.
Oh, jeez.
That one was perfect. Do that again.
Keep pressure.
Nice. A little bit more.
Yeah,
Nice.
very good.
Tell me how you like it.
Finished.
So 1997, talk to the hand.
Well, that'd be
Can we put it like that? I just want to put it like that for fun. That looked hilarious. I just had a. This isn't gonna look like a first-year woodworker, is it?
Yeah, but the whole point is to get the skills.
Well, I have a
You got
tenth. I have a tenth of what I need.
Just keep your head in the same spot every time.
Okay, I found like the maximum like air place. If I'm like right, I think here, I think I should get blasted.
Hold on, make it perfect.
center it.
Oh, no. Yep,
Nice.
that was that one.
A little
The
quick
one on
on
the top
that
was
one.
accident.
I know. I've seen the timing.
It was like bam, bam. Look at my hair. Get right in my hair.
Oh yeah. I think I blocked it with my finger.
I wouldn't be
I think he
surprised.
does it
We'll
just
try
so you
again.
can feel it. Is it centered?
Yes. No,
Yeah.
not even a little bit. Jeez. No, that thing's not centered.
You always take your finger off the trigger when you're not planning on shooting.
Really? Not even near down here now.
That's beautiful.
I found the perfect spot on the last nail. Camera in my face.
What's your name?
Whatever you need, whatever it needs to be.
Okay, show me what you got. Tell me how it works.
It's a stool.
Okay.
Very basic.
Tell me what the pieces are
There's.
on your drawing.
Okay, this is. No, I'm gonna show you on here. This is a very, very complex thing of wood and metal. That's about it.
What's it supposed to do?
Sit.
How many cups of coffee will it hold? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Depends on who the idiot is trying to use the wrong side.
Okay. What's the point of the 45-degree pieces?
Aesthetic. structure, stability.
Okay. What made you want it to look like this?
I saw a picture of it on Etsy.
Thicker.
How long did it take?
4.5 hours.
It's pretty good.
So the boards didn't crisscross. They actually just looked like they crisscrossed.
Oh, they crisscrossed.
Or did
Tell
they?
me about it.
They're like interlocked.
Right here. Show me.
Well, that is some very nice wood.
Show me where they interlock.
It's a puzzle. It's like this. It's not. They're not sitting on top of each other.
We
Like
grooved it out.
this.
3/8 of
They're sitting on top of each other like this. Or they're not like this. They're like this.
Okay.
Or no, they're like this.
They're grooved
That's
out.
interesting.
They're grooved out.
They're grooved out.
3/8 of an inch.
Anything else you'd like to add?
No,
Because public speaking is your next 4-H class.
it is. It's a good thing I'm not going to another one. I'm not.